Hello everyone, I am Advocate Shadab Hussain Khan. Being a criminal defense constitutional lawyer, today I will discuss about the section 164 of the Criminal Procedure Code, now known as section 183 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, that how the delay in recording the statement by the magistrate in rape or POXO cases can affect the case and can give benefit to the accused as well. The phrase, as soon as the commission of the offense is brought to the notice of the police, mentioned in the first para, last line of the subsection 6A of the section 183 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, has been interpreted by the Honorable Supreme Court as not exceeding 24 hours. Means the phrase, as soon as, has been interpreted as not exceeding 24 hours. And the Honorable Supreme Court of India has given some directions regarding the same. An unexplained delay exceeding 24 hours in getting the recording of the statement by the magistrate raises a serious doubt on the prosecution because it is mandatory requirement of law, mandatory provision of law, as well as there is a settled position of law and binding precedent of the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the state of Karnataka by nomina Kere Police versus Shivanna 2014, and further followed by the Honorable Supreme Court in Miss A versus State of Uttar Pradesh 2020. So whenever there is an unexplained delay beyond 24 hours in recording the statement by the magistrate, the investigating officer shall record the reason in writing, and further during the trial, the IO will have to explain before the court. If that explanation will be palpably unreasonable, then it may give benefit to the accused, as there will be a reasonable doubt of a premeditated recording of the statement. If this thing will be ignored by the trial court, then in appeal, it will become a good ground for the appeal. Thank you.